Hi, it's Dave at Chase Classic Cars. Just wanting to show everyone the new fiberglass front wings I've started to make. These are for S2 coupe, normal coupe, B3, B4 and cabriolets. Available to order via the website. Very straightforward to fit. We'll have to drill mounting holes. Sorry about the crinkling. See, there's the mounting holes. I've done a test fit on an S2. If you send your bracketry, I can make the bracketry for you, send it back, and then it'll be a straight fit. But both sides available. Crinkling again. They will need a little extra bit of finish in certain places because they are fiberglass, and as good as I am at the mould making, there are some extra parts that will need a little bit of work.